Hey fluffy girls, thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire. It's your girl Pink Fluff and I'm back with another press on video. So today we are going to be doing press ons. Y'all know I love press on nails. These nails are perfect for spring and summer. They were super affordable. These nails were only $6 and I can say these nails are great quality. They were only $6. You can find these at Walgreens, Walmart, or Dollar General. So this color is like a nice peachy color. These are considered long nails, but y'all, these are the perfect length nails for me. I really love these nails. They are great quality. If you're used to acrylic nails, then you're going to love the quality of these nails. They last a long time. These nails will last for 2 weeks. So these are just some extra items. You don't have to have these, but I like to have them on hand. So those are just the salon boards. And also I like to have this little fingernail brush. So whenever I do my press on nails, before I begin to press my nails on, I always wash my hands and make sure I dry them. So this is just some Kiss glue. And honestly, y'all, you honestly don't need any of that because everything comes in this one kit. That's why I like this kit. This kit was super affordable for $6. And honestly, y'all, I've tried other press-on nails and they will last like a week. It may last 3 days, 5 days. It depends. But these babies will last for 2 weeks, okay? And as you can see, it does come with glue. And normally I don't use the glue that comes with the kits, but y'all, that glue is amazing. I'm still using that glue, okay? So I am definitely in love with these color nails, y'all. I'm looking at my hand right now and these nails are definitely good quality. I've had them on for maybe 5 days. They are really good quality. So y'all, I'm telling you, if you like the acrylics, try this. So everything you need comes in this kit, so you don't have to buy any extras unless you want to. So you get the glue, you get the cuticle pusher, the sandboard, and then you also get the nail tape, these little thingies right there. I think that's what you call them. So this is how my hands look right now, and I did have press-ons on my nails maybe like 3 days ago. I try to let my nails breathe a little bit. So since my natural nails are a little bit on the long side, I am going to trim them down, and I just use this little toenail clipper. You can use the sandboard and just, you know, file them down a little bit, but I haven't cut my natural nails in a minute, so yeah, it was definitely time to cut them. And when I took my last press-ons off, y'all, they were super long. So this is the little kit that you get. As you can see, it has everything in here. So y'all, you don't have to buy any extras unless you want to. And remember, it does come with the glue, and it also comes with the nail tape. So if you want your nails to last for a long time, I do suggest that you use the glue instead of the nail tape. So this is the sandboard that it came with, and y'all, I actually like the sandboard. I mean the salon board it came with, and I actually used this throughout the video, and it was okay. So this is the nail tape. I don't know if that's what you call it, but that's what we're gonna call it for this video. If you just want your nails to last a week, 5 days, or 3 days, you can use the nail tape. But I'm telling y'all, if you want your nails to last, use that glue. That glue is amazing, and I do use that glue. Like, I keep it, I save it, and I'll use it on some more press-ons because that's a lot of glue. So pretty much I'm just going to use our cuticle pusher, and I am going to just clean under the nail bed, which honestly, y'all, I clean under my nail beds when I wash my hands. So yeah, and I did do this step off of camera, and then I had to film it again for, you know, YouTube purposes. But y'all, I hate this cuticle pusher. I hate the wooden cuticle pushers. As you can see, I don't know, it just does not do the job for me. I don't like it. I find that the wood just gets kind of, I don't know, it kind of bends, it will break. I don't really like it. You can find these stainless steel cuticle pushers. Those I really love, but I was trying to use everything in this kit. So yeah, use what you have. So this is the salon board that came with the actual kit, and y'all, this was not bad. I thought it was gonna be a little bit I was a little iffy about it, but it was actually pretty good. It did the job. So I just used the blue side. So you want to roughen up your nail just so the glue can adhere to the press on and your press ons can last for a long time. So this is just a makeup brush that I use. I use it as a nail brush now. So I am just going to, ooh, y'all, we look so ashy right now. All right, we're just going to dust that all off. All right, just don't even pay it no mind, okay? All right. So I'm sorry if my background changes colors. I think it's the light. I'm not sure. So these are cute peach nails, y'all. I love these nails. They are like a matte nail. They're not shiny at all. I really love these. The quality of these, I'm telling y'all, it's bomb. It is bomb. Love these nails. $6? Okay. So each press-on nail comes with the numbers on the back. So you can pretty much pick out 5 press-on nails and just look for the number on the back of the press-on nails and just go through the nails and pick out the same exact set because you have 10 hands. Okay, so this will definitely help you out with time. And y'all, you want to make sure that you have a good size nail for your actual press-ons. Make sure that it is the correct size. It's not too big, it's not too small. So this is our nail glue, and y'all, I don't know what it is, but the Kiss Pink nail glue is the best nail glue. Their regular nail glue sucks. Like, your nails will pop off. I hate it. I do not like it. But the pink nail glue is bomb. So pretty much I am just going to put some glue on and I'm going to spread it around the nail. That's how I like to do it. Everyone does it different. You can also put it on the nail and then press it on. It's up to you. But this is just how I like to do it. I feel like it works best for me, and my press-ons do last a long time. Definitely if the press-on nails are good quality. So it's all about the quality of the press-on nail, the steps that you take to prepare the nail, and the glue that you use. I prefer to use the pink glue. It works amazing. I love it. So I think my lighting was going in and out. So y'all, I'm sorry about this footage. So I just like to spread the glue evenly throughout the nail. And y'all, I always start from the bottom and then push towards the top. And then I just kind of hold the nail like that together, just so I can make sure the press-ons are really on there. And y'all, that really helps with keeping your press-ons on your actual nails. And you just want to make sure you press down. So I'm just going to do the same thing with the other nails. Y'all, this is super cheap, super affordable. It takes me maybe like 10 minutes to do my press-ons because I don't have to color them. You don't need nail polish. You don't need a top coat. You don't need anything. You just need to press them on. So it can take me from anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to do my nails. I like these because the color is banging, and y'all, I've had these nails on for 5 days now, and y'all, the color is still vibrant. It's still matte. It is so beautiful. It hasn't stained or anything. The quality of these nails are definitely on point. So y'all, save your coins. Stop going to the nail salon. It's paying $30, $40, $50. I know some people that spend like $100 on just their nails. Not even their nails and their feet, okay? No ma'am. We are saving money and we're going to put it in a savings account. So as you can see, it has a little tab at the top, and we are just going to file this down. And y'all, you just want to file lightly in one direction. Okay, one direction. Don't go back and forth. I know it kind of looks like I'm going back and forth, but I'm not. Just file in one direction, because if you move it back and forth, you're going to mess up the nails and they're going to start getting dull. So yeah, just go, when you file in one direction. So I'm just going to do the other hand, and I'm just going to kind of speed this up a little bit. But y'all, I really love this matte peach. My favorite nail colors are peach, yellow, green, and pink. So make sure you comment down below, what is your favorite nail color? I really love these nails, y'all, and I got like 3 compliments on these nails, and everyone was like, where do you get your nails done at? Where do you get your nails done at? And then I was like, girl, let me put you on, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and girl, we are pressing these nails on. These are press-ons, and she could not believe that these were press-ons because they look like acrylics. Like, they look like I went to the nail salon and I got my nails done. So if you haven't subscribed yet, sis, hold on. What are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, y'all, make sure you check out my website down below, Pink Fluff Empire. I sell lip gloss, lashes, body butters, body oils, facial scrubs, facial oils. Y'all, I have it all down below, including this cuticle oil, which I am going to use right now on my nails. So I'm just going to use this cuticle oil because, y'all, my nail bed can look a little crusty because, y'all, we just did a lot of work. All right, so I'm just going to add that cuticle oil on, and I am going to rub that in. Y'all, I love this cuticle oil, and cuticle oil is key to having healthy nail beds, y'all. Okay, you don't want to be looking crusty out here. Get you some cuticle oil. So make sure you shop my website down below, pinkfluffempire.com. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. Okay, y'all, please support a young entrepreneur slash YouTuber. My products are bomb. Some of y'all have already purchased from me, and thank y'all so much to everyone who has purchased my products. Left me such great reviews. I really appreciate it, y'all. I mean, y'all are lit. So let's get into these press-ons, y'all. That is it. As you can see, these press-ons look really good. Like, I'm so serious. And y'all, I did buy myself some flowers. So I was like, you know what, let me get my flowers and make a cute little thumbnail and, you know, put this in my YouTube video because, y'all, we have to spoil ourselves. And I really love these flowers. These are my favorite flowers. So I was like, you know what, let me get them some nail magic with these flowers. Okay, so if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you like, comment, and also, y'all, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire. I hope you really enjoyed this nail video, and I will see y'all on my next one.